Do you want to know how to start your day with more energy? This first meal of the day has a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. A healthy breakfast kickstarts your metabolism, setting the pace for a day of optimal digestion and energy utilization. It also plays a vital role in mood regulation, helping to ward off those mid-morning blues. Plus, it enhances concentration and cognitive function, giving you that mental edge to tackle your day's tasks efficiently. Conversely, skipping breakfast can lead to feelings of lethargy, mood swings, and poor concentration. You may have experienced this yourself on those rushed mornings. So how about we delve into some of the best healthy breakfast options that can help you start your day full of energy? Starting off our list is the green smoothie bowl, a nutrient-packed breakfast option. This vibrant bowl is a mix of spinach, banana, chia seeds, and almond milk, each ingredient bringing its unique health benefits. Spinach provides iron and essential vitamins, bananas offer potassium and energy, chia seeds are rich in fiber and protein, and almond milk adds a subtle nutty taste and is fortified with calcium. The beauty of this breakfast is its simplicity and flexibility. Top it with your favorite nuts or berries. A green smoothie bowl is a refreshing and energizing way to kickstart your morning. Next on our list is overnight oats, a perfect option for those who are always on the go. These oats are soaked overnight in a mix of milk, yogurt, and chia seeds, creating a wholesome protein-packed breakfast. The beauty of overnight oats is their flexibility. You can top them with a variety of fruits and nuts in the morning, tailoring them to your own taste. Packed with fiber and nutrients, these oats are a nutritious, time-saving breakfast that will keep you energized throughout the day. If you're looking for a balance of healthy fats and whole grains, avocado toast is the way to go. It's as simple as it sounds. A slice of whole grain bread, a ripe avocado, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. But don't let its simplicity fool you. This breakfast option is packed with healthy fats from the avocado, providing sustained energy throughout the day. It's a breakfast that's as hearty as it is healthy. Avocado toast is a simple yet satisfying breakfast option that will keep you full and energized. For those with a sweet tooth, Greek yogurt parfait is a tasty yet healthy choice. Picture this: creamy Greek yogurt, crunchy granola, and vibrant fresh fruits layered in a glass. Not only does it look pretty, but it's packed with nutritional goodness. Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics that help your digestion, while the fresh fruits offer a delightful burst of fiber, ensuring you sustained energy throughout the day. A Greek yogurt parfait is a delicious and nutritious way to start your day on a high note. Last but certainly not least, we have the classic egg and veggie scramble. This delightful dish is a combination of wholesome eggs, an array of vibrant vegetables, and a sprinkle of cheese. Not only does it taste fantastic, it's also a nutritional powerhouse. The protein in the eggs aids muscle repair, keeping you strong and active. Meanwhile, the vegetables provide a variety of vitamins that promote overall health. An egg and veggie scramble is a versatile and protein-packed breakfast option that will keep you going all day. So, there you have it, 5 healthy breakfast options for a more energetic day. Feel free to experiment with these options, make them your own. Remember, a good day starts with a good breakfast. Make it healthy, make it delicious, and watch your energy levels soar. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more fascinating healthy tips and facts.